Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Patreon creator earnings report step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Patreon account. Navigate to the creator dashboard. Locate the earnings tab on the left sidebar. Click on the earnings tab to access your earnings reports. Choose the desired time frame for your report. Select the specific month or date range you want to back up. Look for the download button on the earnings page. Click on the download button to download your earnings report. Your report will be generated in CSV format. Once the file is ready, it will begin to download automatically. Check your downloads folder to locate the CSV file. Open the CSV file using a spreadsheet program like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Review the information in the earnings report to ensure accuracy. If needed, make any necessary adjustments or notes within the spreadsheet. Consider saving the file in multiple locations for added security. Upload a copy of your earnings report to a cloud storage service. Label the file clearly for easy future access. Regularly repeat this process at the end of each month to maintain an updated backup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.